System test 87.5. This gone. These two are here but disabled. This gone. Everything's the same, but we got this. So, we're going to pull the T-bar. Are you ready? And I'm still with Jake Wolf.
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Again.
3.
I'm not sure if you guys don't know about this video. You probably may have seen it many years ago. Jammin to a Simplex fire alarm, where it's a guy with a hat, sunglasses, and he's just dancing to a 93 with 9001 light plate.
That's the panel door. Yeah.
Yep. And of course, we don't have a 4002, so but we'll pull the T. But we have a T-bar, so we can use a T-bar. Although it's not the correct generation, though, because the T-bar in the video supports 5120. But this is close.
That's true. So, here we go. Count down for me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Which actually did happen in the second video he did, the revisit to that. So, I guess it works out in the end. Just one of the stupid ideas I came up with. I don't need that anymore. And now my hair is much more beautiful. So, there's system test 87.5. It was just a dumb idea I came up with. I thought, oh, we have a light plate and we have a 93. Just swap out the 93 for the 6120. And there you go. So,
Alright.
System Test 87.5. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next test.
Thanks for watching.